Common causes of cough and runny nose discussing.
1. Common cold, a viral illness caused by the rhinovirus, typically more prevalent during cold weather. 2. Allergic rhinitis, an allergy caused by exposure to dust, pollen, or other allergens. 3. Influenza flu, a viral infection more severe than the common cold, caused by the influenza virus. 4. Sinusitis, a condition caused by infection or inflammation of the sinuses near the nose. 5. Asthma, a chronic condition where the airways in the lungs become inflamed and narrow, leading to coughing and breathing difficulties. 6. Coronavirus COVID-19, a disease caused by SARS-CoV-2, presenting symptoms such as cough, fever, and runny nose.